Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential items for parents on the go, the ISMGN Diaper Bag Backpack. This isn't just any diaper bag. It's hailed as the best changing diaper bag on the market for its innovative features and practical design. Let's explore why this might be the perfect fit for you. The ISMGN Diaper Bag Backpack boasts a robust set of features that cater to every parent's needs. First off, it comes with a built-in changing station, allowing you to transform any space into a comfortable spot for diaper changes. This feature alone sets it apart from traditional diaper bags. With a generous 25-liter capacity, this backpack can hold everything you need and more. It includes multiple pockets for easy organization, 3 insulated bottle pockets to keep drinks at the right temperature, a waterproof pocket for wet items, and even a convenient backside pocket for your phone or wallet. Crafted from durable waterproof Oxford fabric, the ISMGN Diaper Bag Backpack is built to last. The zippers are smooth and sturdy, and the stitching is reinforced for added durability. It's designed with comfort in mind too, featuring cushioned shoulder straps and a padded back panel for those long outings. What's really impressive is its versatility. You can wear it as a backpack for hands-free convenience, or simply use the handle straps to carry it like a tote bag. This flexibility makes it suitable for any situation, whether you're out shopping, traveling, or simply strolling through the park. Designed to be unisex and stylish, the ISMGN Diaper Bag Backpack comes in a sleek gray color that complements any outfit or setting. It's a bag that grows with your family and won't look out of place as trends evolve. In conclusion, the ISMGN Diaper Bag Backpack with its integrated changing station, spacious design, durable build, and versatile use options, stands out as a top contender in the realm of diaper bags. Whether you're a new parent or seasoned pro, this bag delivers on both functionality and style. If you're interested in learning more or picking one up for yourself, I've included a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.